Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So here in this video I'll be telling you how to create a fun automatic juice machine animation in Canva. I will show you step by step using a fruit vending machine as start. So first you need to open Canva, go to Google and type Canva. You will be directed to the screen and then you can select the video canvas, and under video canvas you can select the YouTube video. Step number 2 here is adding a vending machine background. So go to elements, search for fruit vending machine or simply vending machine. So you can go for graphics and you can place it near to, like at the center of your canvas. So this will be the starting point for fruits. You can adjust the size as per your requirement. The next step here is adding the fruits. Again you can go to elements and you can type their fruits. You will be directed to certain fruits over there. So here what you are supposed to do is you can select the fruits as per your choice. So let's say first I'm selecting orange. So I can keep oranges here. So I will just copy and paste it and keep all the oranges here. Okay, so you can press Ctrl C from your keyboard and then Ctrl V. So there are total of 3 more left, so I will be adding 3 oranges more here. Next here we can go for any green fruit. So let's say we are choosing here pears, so you can choose it as per your requirement. So I'm just choosing this as per the design. So here again Ctrl C and Ctrl V 3 times. So Ctrl C for copying and Ctrl V for pasting, adjusting the size and keeping the spears here. Now let's move forward with the next fruit here. So the next fruit you can drag and drop here is like you can choose any as per your requirement. So let's say we are using choosing here blueberries, so you can choose here blueberries. Okay, and then again Control C 1 time and Control V 3 times and placing this here. Okay, so the next fruit here you can choose is apple. Let's say adjusting the size, Control C 1 time, Control V 3 times. The next fruit you can choose here is banana and you can keep it here. Control C 1 time, Control V 3 times. Yeah. So here we are done with the adding the fruits into our machine. Okay. So the next step that we will be doing here is we have already added a kind of an machine, vending machine here. So this is the place like where the juice will be prepared. Okay, so first and foremost we will be adding all the elements. Okay, so now let's add one more element here that's relating to the juice glass. So I will just make this little longer because this is something our background be for everything. So here I will be going for a juice glass because I want, like, first and foremost I will be adding all the elements. So you can go for empty glass or filled glass, because at the end your juice will be a filled form. So you can choose any as per your requirement. So that looks like a good animation. You can choose likewise. Okay, so let's choose this one here. So we are choosing this one. So this will be our ending step, like juice will be prepared in the end, right? So I will be placing this, glass in the end for the time being. Okay, yeah. So now let's proceed with some of the animations here. Okay, like we will be animating now fruits moving. Okay, so here let's say the user want a mixed fruit. Okay, so we are just making a situation here. So for the mixed fruit, a small glass, right? So here what will be done, I will be creating the animation here. So first this fruit, so let's animate the fruits one by one. So first orange, so I will just click here on animate and then creating an animation. So here the user select, let's say, one orange. So one orange here will be added here. Okay, and you can choose the speed as per your requirement. So let's say the orange is coming slowly or fast, likewise, and then you can click here on done, right? So this one is for the orange. Okay, so the next animation we are gonna do is for pears, right? So this is this one, right, the fourth one. So you can create for any. So let's say I wanted to create for the first one pears. Okay, so I will be taking it here, I will be moving this here. Okay, this pears, because here I'm just gonna create an animation relating to it. So let's animate this now, because here the animation will be after orange, so that's why I have moved it a little bit to the right side. So it will be placed here, so you can adjust the speed as it is. Okay, so let's check this from starting what we did. First we created the animation for orange, and once it's done then we created it for pears. And as you can see, once we did for the pears, everything went off. Now how to bring that back here? So in order to bring everything back, you just need to go for, okay, so this was something relating to animation. So here we need to move it, like everything, it should be there in each and every slide. Okay, so I'm just moving it. So it should not be onto the first page. So these are some of the pages, right? So we need to move it accordingly. So I'm doing this for every fruit, and when I'll come to know, like, in the end it is missing, then I will be doing it again. Okay, so this is how editing is done. Animations are being created. Okay, so let's do this for all. Okay, so let's see it from starting what we did. So first orange and then pears, they can also come um, side by side. They can also come together, they can also come one after another. So we will be making it to like it should come one after another, like not together. So this video is also relating to understanding how you can proceed with if you have made any mistakes, correcting those stuffs. So let's animate it again. So first we need to animate orange. Okay, so I'm just clicking here on animate, making the speed little bit slower, deleting this path and creating again. Okay, So orange has been animated. So I have not removed the animation for pears, okay? So I will be removing that. So this was our first pears, okay? So now let's do the animation part for pears. Animate, speed slower, and or you can delete the path and recreate it, or we can choose the second one, pear, right? Like, this is something that I'm telling you, right? You can do this part as per your requirement, like how you want your vending machine to give you the results. Okay, so let's see what we did. So orange and pear are coming first, and coming into the vending machine. So they are added to the vending machine. Now we will go for so here, as you can see, the blueberry was missing, so here I will just make it like, I will make it like complete, you know everything should be till the end so that no fruit gets missing, okay? So I'm doing quite slow because I hope like everyone should get into what we are doing. Okay, so now we will be dragging and dropping blueberry. So let's say now we want third blueberry, to be animated. So we will be creating an animation for that. Click on animate, create animation, and then so let's say the blueberry will come from this side and will be added. Speed you can choose as per your requirement, and same for apple we can do. And apple, let's say we need again from this side to be added into the machine. So apple, and for sweetness we can add banana as well, okay? So like, it's also an healthy juicer. It is not adding any artificial sweetener, so it's adding banana as a sweetener likewise. So you can choose the animation speed likewise. So let's see what we did. So this is the step that we did regarding um animating the fruits moving, okay? So orange is coming, pears is coming, blueberry is coming, apple is coming, and banana is coming to the vending machine so that they can mix together and create a juice for the customer. So you can see everything has been added to the machine now. So for the time being we are here and we need more animation, so I'm just increasing it, and I will be increasing everything here, okay? Because right now the fruits will get mixed, and then they will fruits juice will be added to the glass, right? So these things will be performed. So let me do this very quickly. So everything is getting into this vending machine, and we are mixing everything. So you can see right now we are here, right here. So what we need to do here is we need to go to elements again, and we need to search for a rectangle like this. So you can search for something like rectangle juice preparation mixing animation. So let's say this one is good and it will fit here. So here we will be keeping it here so that it will show you the fruits are getting mixed. So you can adjust the size, accordingly. So likewise you can see the juice is getting prepared. So let's see it from starting what we did till here. So the fruits are coming to the vending machine to get prepared. And then it will proceed with the mixing of fruits, like it will be showing like the juices getting prepared. You can see. So let's watch it from here now. The fruits are getting mixed, the juice is getting prepared, and now we are left with final step, adding a juice glass. So I will just be taking this juice glass here, right? Yeah, so let's see it from here. Once it's get mixed, you have your juice glass ready. So I will be animating now this. Okay, we'll come to animations, animate. So you can see, you can choose this shake and zoom. So it will give you the animation like it is getting prepared, and you can take your juice, right? So likewise, right? So in the end you can also add a text here if you want. You can add like juices ready, you can take this juice, or likewise, right? So let's say we are adding here your juices ready, and here this we are adding into the screen again, like everything will be here. First it plays the role of a mixer, right? Placing. So this is the world of artificial intelligence, you can say, or animations, right? So you can make it whatever you can make it, the animation you want it to be. It shows here apple sometime, because we need to move it little bit to the back side, because here this bananas has to be moved, apples has to be moved, because after juice glasses there should not be any fruit visible. So this is something that we created in case we are left with the ending part. So here I'm just doing it for all. Now I guess it's good, so let's do it, like watch it from here. So it says your juice is ready. So still there was a kind of an orange I could see, so I will just move all the oranges little bit to this side, because in the end I don't need here this fruits in the mixer. Okay, so I will be just checking here once again from here. So it says your juices are ready. So let's see it from very beginning, our complete output. So see, you can click play and your automatic juice machine animation is ready. So you can try this yourself in Canva. So this is so easy and fun. You can also animate it as per your choice, as now you might have you might have get an idea about how to proceed with the animation stuffs, right? So you can create it by your own. You can add the fruits of your choice. You can also add the buttons over to here, right? You can add this buttons working, right? So this is something which is never ending process. You can add a person here who wanted to drink the juice, right? So likewise you can proceed towards extending or advancing this project. So let me know in comment sections, would you like to try this fruit vending machine project, or you would try the another one by extending this into this. So if you have some other idea relating to this vending machine project, so if you have any other idea relating to this vending machine project, let me know in the comment section, and try this yourself in Canva. So easy and fun. Subscribe for more creative animations and AI style tutorials.